Hello, green thumbs and buddy gardeners. I'm Ted, and you've just stepped into my virtual garden, Ted's Garden, your one-stop YouTube channel for all things gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we've got you covered with our in-depth guides, handy tips, and easy-to-follow tutorials. We're here to help you cultivate your green thumb and turn your garden into a flourishing paradise. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our regular gardening adventures. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get our hands dirty. Today we're diving into the world of root veggies, specifically how to grow carrots at home. So grab your gardening gloves and let's go. Hello garden enthusiasts, welcome to today's guide on how to successfully grow carrots in your home garden. Imagine the satisfaction of pulling up a fresh, homegrown carrot from the earth. The vibrant color, the earthy scent, and the unbeatable crunch. Besides the joy of harvesting your own produce, homegrown carrots offer a freshness and flavor that store-bought ones simply can't match. Over the course of this tutorial, we'll be taking you through a step-by-step process to grow these delightful root vegetables. We'll start by discussing how to select the right soil and containers for your carrot patch. Then we'll delve into the specifics of planting depth, spacing, and watering. Lastly, we'll tackle common challenges you might face and how to overcome them. So, stick around to learn the secrets to growing plump, juicy carrots right in your backyard. First things first, the soil and container selection. The right foundation is crucial to growing healthy carrots. Let's talk about soil. Carrots prefer a loose, well-draining soil, free of rocks. This type of soil facilitates the downward growth of carrot roots, leading to straight and well-formed carrots. You can achieve this by mixing garden soil with compost or well-rotted manure. Now, let's move on to containers. Options can range from raised beds to pots or garden boxes. The key factor here is depth. Remember, carrots are root vegetables and they need plenty of room to grow downwards. A container depth of at least 12 inches is ideal for most carrot varieties. In the case of raised beds, they offer the added advantage of better drainage and easier access for care and harvesting. So, whether you choose a pot, a box, or a raised bed, ensure it offers sufficient depth. Remember, choose a deep container and loose, rock-free soil to give your carrots the best start. Before we move on to planting, let's talk about the secret ingredient that makes all the difference in Ted's garden. Yes, we're talking about Algae Plus, the all-natural organic plant food. It's not just the soil and containers that contribute to the growth of our carrots, but also what we feed them. Algae Plus is the only product we use here in Ted's garden. It's packed with essential nutrients and vitamins that help our plants grow strong and healthy. This organic plant food not only enhances the growth of our carrots, but also improves their taste. Algae Plus is available for purchase at algaeplus.us or by clicking the link in the description below this video. Give your plants the best with Algae Plus. Now let's get back to our carrot planting guide. Now that we have our soil and containers ready, it's time to plant. The depth at which you plant your carrot seeds is crucial. Aim for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. This allows the seedlings to push through the soil surface easily. Remember, too deep and the seedlings might struggle to reach the surface. Too shallow and the seeds could dry out. Next, let's discuss spacing. Proper spacing prevents overcrowding, which can stunt growth and lead to smaller carrots. Aim to space your seeds about 2 to 3 inches apart. This gives each carrot ample room to mature into a deliciously crunchy snack. Lastly, let's talk about watering. Consistent watering is key to growing healthy carrots. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering may cause the carrots to dry out and split. So, plant your seeds about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, space them properly, and keep the soil evenly moist. Easy, right? Easy. Even the best gardeners face challenges, but don't worry, we've got you covered. First off, poor germination can be a real headache. But guess what? There's an easy fix. Pre-soaking seeds for a few hours before planting can boost germination rates. It's a simple trick that can make a world of difference. Thinning is another common issue. You might be tempted to let all your seedlings grow, but overcrowding can stunt growth, so be ruthless. Thin out your seedlings, leaving a couple of inches between each one. It might seem harsh, but it's for the greater good. Lastly, let's tackle pests. Those pesky critters can wreak havoc on your precious plants, but don't panic. Natural pest control methods like using plant-friendly insects or homemade sprays can be quite effective. Research and find what works best for your situation. Remember, every challenge has its solution. Don't give up, your carrot harvest will be worth it. Well, that's a wrap on our beginner-friendly guide to growing carrots at home. Let's take a moment to revisit some of the key points we've covered today. Remember, the magic starts with the right soil and container. A loose, well-draining soil free of rocks and a deep enough container are the foundational blocks for your carrots to thrive. When it comes to planting, remember the golden rules. Seeds should be planted about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep and spaced properly to avoid overcrowding. Consistent watering is crucial, but be careful not to waterlog your soil. We also tackled some common challenges you might encounter, like poor germination, thinning, and pests. But with our practical solutions at your fingertips, we're confident you'll navigate these with ease. Thanks for tuning in, garden enthusiasts. We can't wait to hear about your carrot growing adventures. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. See you in the next tutorial. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future gardening tips and tutorials. If you liked what you saw today, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us know what content you enjoy and want more of. And finally, if you have any friends or family who might benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. Let's grow our community of home gardeners together. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening.